and this is iFlight. Welcome to Cineflow 5 and Cine LR7 tutorial. This tutorial includes content as below. Overview. O4 Air Unit Pro activation and FPV goggles binding, ELRS, TBS binding and RC link instruction. DJI FPV controller and FPV goggles binding. Betaflight setup. Quick release side panel and LED adjustment. Propellers installation. Pre-flight check. Possible reasons for successful binding but failure to arm. Shine Height series adopted innovative frame design. No props in view for immersive FPV experiences. Quick release side panels simplify maintenance, and an integrated action camera mount and rear-mounted power connector ensure a sleek look. Key features include a standard anti-spark filter, built-in GPS module, and a heat dissipation channel designed for flight safety. Equipped with DJI O4 Air Unit Pro, supports 4K stabilized video. Cineflow 5, equipped with racing-grade electronics and power modules, meet enthusiasts' performance demands, delivering a superior flight experience. Cine LR7 offers a flight time of up to 25 minutes, delivering exceptional flight performance. This tutorial will take Cineflow 5 as an example. Now let's explore the accessories in the Cineflow 5 pack. 1 Cineflow 5, 2 XW propellers, 2 CCW propellers, 2 Albatros V2 LHCP RPSMA antennas, 1 battery pad, 2 battery straps, 1 accessories pack, 1 sticker, 1 safety warning card, 1 disclaimer, 1 after-sales service card. That's all for this episode. In the next episode, we will introduce O4 Air Unit Pro activation and FPV goggles binding.